Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to activate the Windows Hello Face in my new Windows 11 PC, and it shows this option is currently unavailable. We could not find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face. So how to fix this issue? So very simple method to fix this error is just open your local disk and then go to Windows folder. So here I try to locate System32 folder and click to open it. And this folder has lots of subfolders, but here you can locate the folder name called WinBioPlugins and click to open it. So here I try to access Face driver and finally click to launch this Hello Face setup file. And this process is successfully completed, and close all the windows. So next you can open the Windows run and then execute this command services.msc. So now it shows me all Windows services, but you can locate the service name called Windows Biometric Service and simply double click on it. But unfortunately this service is stopped, so don't try to start this service, but simply minimize it and then open your local disk and go to Windows folder. So same way you can locate that System32 folder and click to open it. So here you can locate the folder name called WinBioDatabase and click to open it. And this folder have one file, but simply click to delete it. So after you done these processes, now you can go to that Windows services. So now this time I try to start the service. So once you start the service and finally one time check it if this Window Hello Face feature is installed or not. So how to check it? So by simply open your settings and go to apps category. So here you can click to access optional feature and then search Windows Hello Face. But in my PC this feature is installed successfully, so no problem. But if you don't have it, just install this feature and close all the windows and one time restart your Windows PC. So after the restarting is completed, just try to access that same Windows Hello Face feature. So I hope this method will work 100%. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.